Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Capital One Shopping for automated savings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Capital One Shopping website. Click on the Get Started button. Create a free account using your email address. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once verified, log into your new account. Navigate to the Browser Extensions section. Choose your browser type for the extension. Click on the corresponding download link. Follow the prompts to add the extension to your browser. Once installed, pin the extension for easier access. Return to the Capital One Shopping dashboard. Click on the Get Deals button. Explore the various categories of available deals and offers. Select a category that interests you, such as electronics or clothing. View the list of participating retailers. Click on a retailer that you frequently shop from. A new tab will open, leading you to the retailer's website. Begin shopping as usual for your desired items. As you add items to your cart, the extension will automatically search for savings. Look for a pop-up notification showing any available coupons or deals. Apply the best coupon with one click if prompted by the extension. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. After purchasing, check your account on the Capital One Shopping dashboard. Monitor your savings and rewards, which will be tracked automatically. Repeat this process whenever you shop online to maximize your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.